Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening another Real Brands from Miniverse. These are by far the most impressive thing they've done lately. They've done a lot of impressive stuff, but there are pencil marks where it says Cheez-It. You can go to Meeny Miny Mo, kind of help you find which ones you're looking for. This one I believe should have Pop-Tarts. These might be the plain ones, the ones that aren't iced. I can't remember, but let's see what's inside. There's 5 miniatures in here. Inside we have 2 grocery bags that say have a sunny day on them. Ooh, I wanted to see these. We are big Cheez-It fans in this household. We also got Twinkies, and yes, the strawberry uniced Pop-Tarts, so that was correct. The cheat sheets, I think, tell you what combination. So like if you get this one, these are the same 5 you get, I'm pretty sure. I just marked a couple notable items on the outside of the wrapper when I was going through them. So I couldn't really remember what was all supposed to be in here. We have some peanuts. Those are amazing. And then some ice cream. So this is the cookies and cream. And that's exactly what it looks like. So you get one item that you essentially have to assemble, I'm using quotes. We're gonna dump that in there. So in the past I got strawberry jam and peanut butter and a different ice cream. So that's super fun. Let me kind of clean up a little bit and then we will get into looking inside these. I think I'll start with the ice cream first. This should be the same textures like the kinetic sand stuff they've used in the past. So it is pretty easy to get out. And then they give you a scooper because you can actually scoop it. Oh my gosh, how fun. I love that. Does it all fit in there? It should fit exactly. And it does if you mash it down. And then of course you can actually scoop it if you want. Isn't that adorable? I love that. So simple. I just showed this to my husband. I was like, oh my God, you won't believe what a great job they did with this. And I was showing him my favorites from the collection and he said, I have a question. Did it come with a loaf of bread? Like Wonder Bread, you know, already sliced? I said, no, but that is a good idea. And I could see them doing another series of this. There's just so many things they can do. Even like craft singles, you could like assemble sandwiches and stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So we have that. Let's look at this one next. That's probably what is my next favorite from here. It does feel pretty light, so I'm not sure how many Cheez-Its are in here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it does look like a Cheez-It. It's got the little holes in the middle. That would have been funny if you could see like the little salt pieces, because that's my favorite part of Cheez-Its is the salt on them. But adorable. And all these things have clear packaging in real life, so I like that you don't have to open it if you don't want to, but you can totally if you want to. Now this was impressive last time because there was actually salt pieces in there and that like blew my mind. So I imagine it's like that again. It is sealed, but you can pop the top. Oh, the peanuts. Yeah, I think there is salt in there, but it's all kind of settled to the bottom. And there's a ton in there. How fun. The other one I got was the mixed nuts, and you could actually tell pistachios, almonds, cashews. You could tell what it was supposed to be. So yeah. Adorable. Now these, of course, have the silver wrapper because that's how they come in real life. There's 2 in here. I did cut 1 open last time, so I'll do that again. But yep, it's got the Pop-Tart packaging. And like I asked in the one video, are you gonna cut yours open? How are you gonna display yours? Are you gonna keep them as is? I'm very curious to know. So it does kind of look like there's frosting on it, but not really. So these are the unfrosted ones, but in the holes there, you can see the red from the strawberry. So that's really cute. They nailed the details for sure. Now let's see the Twinkies. I haven't had a Twinkie in ages. They are in clear packaging, aren't they? I think. Just like the snowballs are so impressive. So yep, we got 2 Twinkies in the clear packaging, so you don't need to open it. They did it. Can you see that? Looks like a real Twinkie where you can see the icing, the 3 little dots at the underside. They did that with the snowball too, and I was like screaming on the inside because it's so amazing. So yeah, we got Twinkies, we got Pop-Tarts, 2 of each, some peanuts, our scoopable cookies and cream ice cream, and our Cheez-Its. So now I will rank them. That's what I've been doing. Oh man, that's a tough one. I think I'm gonna go Twinkies are my favorite, followed by Cheez-Its, then peanuts, then ice cream, then Pop-Tarts. I think that would be my favorites in that order. Let me know what order is your favorite in the comments below. I read all the comments and I usually answer and respond to all of them too. So talk to me down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.